Welcome to all the students. In the science topic, we have completed chapter number 1. Now today we'll see chapter number 2, that is work and energy. And in this lesson, we'll study about work, energy, mechanical energy, law of conservation of energy and free fall. This topic we are going to study here. Now observe the pictures given in front of you and tell in which pictures the work is said to be done. See, in the first picture, a girl is studying. Second picture, a boy is picking a stone, an object. In the third picture, woman watching a TV. And in the fourth picture, a man carrying a sack. So in all the four activities, there are work is done. Everyone is using energy to perform his activities. Here, mental work is going on. Here, physical work is going on. Here, mental work is going on. And here, physical work is going on. So the work is said be mental work or physical work. But we'll study the work in physics. In the branch of physics, the work is defined in other way. So in physics, the work is said to be done. Work is said to be done when the object shows displacement by the application of force. Means when force is applied on any object, then the force causes displacement of the object, that is called work. See the examples. In the first case, girl is studying, mental work is going on. What is displacement? No displacement. See, the man is carrying a sack. Yes, man is carrying a sack. To carry a heavy sack on our head, we require energy. So the man is applying energy. This energy used to apply the force. So the man is applying the force on the sack with the help of his energy of the body, and by the application of force, the sacks can move from one place to other place. The man can bring the sack from one place to other place. Means what happen? Displacement occur. Means the object is sack. The man apply force on the object, means on the sack. Yes, this force, and it causes a displacement, change in position. So that is called as a force. So that's why in physics, force is used to move the object. Means work is said to be done when force applied, then object show displacement. That is why in physics, work is defined as work is the product of force into displacement. So the product of force into displacement, that is called work. So you may clear about this. So work is said to be done when an object shows displacement by the application of force. Now next topic, we'll study about the effect of work by application of force.